Hi, I'm Teacher Aaron. Welcome to my story time. Today, our story is a lot of fun. Our story is The Puppet Show. Friends, let's look at the picture. What can you see? I can see a mother, I can see a daughter, and I can see a saleswoman. Boys and girls, today our story is The Puppet Show. I can see the children. Friends, are the children happy? Yes, they are. The children are very happy. I can see the ticket. Boys and girls, how do you spell ticket? Follow me. T-I-C-K-E-T. Ticket. I can see the popcorn. Boys and girls, do you like to eat popcorn? I do. Is popcorn yummy? Yes, it is. Popcorn is very yummy. I can see the seats. Boys and girls, what color are the seats? Yes, the seats are red. R-E-D, red. I can see the stage. Boys and girls, can you see a star? I can. How many stars can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. I can see the puppets. Boys and girls, look at the puppets. What animal can you see? I can see a duck. I can see a mouse. And I can see an alligator. Ooh. I can see the show. Boys and girls, let's spell puppets. P-U-P-P-E-T-S. Puppets. Puppet show. The end. Boys and girls, do you like to play with puppets? I love to play with puppets. Puppets are fun. I'm Teacher Aaron. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.